Yeah. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name's remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes, co-founder of Rundel Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we're talking about how to make money online, how to start your online business, and how to do your online investments and make money online. Yeah. So today I want to do app review of Rundle Chat App. So we have Rundle Chat App, we have video section, we have Rundle Games, latest action, and we have for quiz and reward. Yeah. So we're talking about this thing one by one. So first of all, let's start with the Rundle Chat. So the Rundle Chat is there for you chatting your friends, making friends, chatting your mentors, and everything. So if you open the random chat, the first thing you see is what the group chat. So it's there for you to chat all your group. Yeah, so people who are on the platform, they chat here. And if you want to access your private chat, this is your private chat, isn't it? Yeah. So this is your private chat that you can access. Yeah, so if I click on it, you see that I will see all the people that I've been chatting them privately. Yeah. So the random chat is there for you to chat your friends, for you to be in the private chat with people and ask them about, because like people on here or people in here are people who are determined to make money online. So you can chat with them and things. And this platform is also good for you to use this platform because when you're even busy working, you can also read chats by click on this. How can I withdraw? And it will read for you without you like stressing yourself to read everything. It can read for you to listen. Yeah. So if you want to join into a private chat with someone, just click on the person chats and it will take you here and you will click on this thing. Have you seen this thing? Yeah. And you can chat with the person. You see that thing? Yeah. So that's how it is. That's how it is. Yeah, so let's talk about the random section. So the random video section is where people post their funny videos or inspiring videos. So you can go there and watch some if you want to laugh, if you want to be inspired and everything. Because this part was created purposely for mentors to post like how to make money online videos over here so that people can watch and be inspired. So next month we introduce the mentors on the platform so that you will be on a platform and learn how to make money from these mentors for free, yeah, without any charges. Yeah, and one thing about this platform is that you don't need to invest anything, but you will get money or you get ideas from this platform day in, day out. Yeah. So the random game too, it's a game section. Yeah, so that one you just play games and you top the chat for a week, then you'll be getting money. And let me tell you one thing. One thing about random chats is that they also give free bonuses. So if you use the app for like let's say punctually, like you always be on the app, you do this and do that, they will see your seriousness and they will they'll be giving you bonuses. Yeah, they'll be giving you bonuses. Yeah. So this is the latest action in this session. Like if let's say you are away for long and you're logging into the platform, so if you click on this session, you'll see all the activities that went on the platform. Yeah, you see all of it. Yeah, and the quiz and reward session, this one this one too, for any money when you answer all questions. Yeah, this one will earn you money when you answer all questions. So this one, and one thing, if someone chats you on a platform and be like, yo, you have to invest this, invest that, don't pay any attention for it. You don't need to pay any money. it's a free app. We will rather what pay you for your services. So if you participate in the quiz session and the game session, you will get some money. And if you always recommend the platform to your friends, you chat your friends a lot on the platform, that one, so the app will recognize you and give you bonuses. And if you post videos a lot on the platform, on the video session too, you may get bonuses from it. So that's how the app works. You see, yeah. So if you are on the platform, and let me show you how you can withdraw the money. So withdrawing money on the platform, you need two things: either your mobile money wallet or your crypto wallet. Yeah. So when you win the money, or when you participate in the quiz and reward, and you win it, the customer service knows that you have already won it. So he or she will chat you and be like, provide your wallet address. But last week, this is what we were doing. When you win it, you just screenshot the the final screen and you send to the customer service, and they will send your money to you. But some people are using the screenshot to cheat, because you have 3 times to do it. So when they go to the platform for the first time, they do screenshot all the questions, and they will search for it, and the second third chance they will input it fast, and they will win it. So right now we have disabled the screen recording and the screenshots. Yeah. So we have disabled it. Yeah. So when you win it, the customer service will see it and will approach you. And when they see that maybe 5 minutes later he or she is not approaching you, you can chat the CEO, and the CEO will let the customer service approach you and send you your money as fast as possible. So that's the withdrawal method. So a lot of people have been asking, so how can I withdraw? How can I withdraw? So I've shown you. This withdrawal is manual, it's not automatic. If you participate, you win, the customer service will ask you about your withdrawal method, and they will send you the money. So that's how the platform works. Yeah, so it works manually. So it's not an automatic thing that after winning the game or winning the quiz, and the money will send to you automatically. Nah, it's manual payment. Yes, manual payment. Yeah, so that's how the platform works. So if you have any question, you can chat the WhatsApp group or the Telegram group or the customer service on Telegram, and he or she will guide you and show you more. So if you have any question, you have to chat the customer service. Let the CEO rest. Let the CEO rest. Yeah, so you can do it, and the questions are just easy questions. Easy questions that you can, like, let's say you have 3 times a day, so you can answer all the 3 times and get 300 cedis for a day. So just easy questions, easy questions, no hard questions on it. Yeah. So that's what Rundel Chat app does. Yeah. So right now I know that you know much about the Rundel Chat. You know the Rundel games and the quiz and reward and the video session and the latest action. You know everything. Yeah. So that's how it is. And have you seen this thing? So this one is your notification. So have you seen this one? That's your notification. Yeah. So you just click on this, you see a lot of things on the notification. Yeah. And you can share the app from here. So you click on this thing to share the app. You can share the app to your friends. So very soon we'll be introducing our affiliate marketing on the platform. You see, you can share that app with that sign over there. So the amount of people you brought on the platform, then you what we will pay you for it. Yeah, so very soon we'll be introducing that one on the platform. Yeah, so I think I'm done for the day, and thank you for watching me. The names remain the same. I'm the CEO of Rundel Tech, and my name is Ken Rhymes. I'm out.